Okay. Hello, can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Slow. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so hello everyone. Good afternoon or good morning. 11:48, so still morning. So how are you there? Are you all okay? Some are eating. Did you eat already your lunch? Guide? Okay, anyway, you can eat while attending classes, but you need to focus your mind also here in our lesson so that you will understand also and you will learn. Okay, so welcome back to our virtual class this time. Today is Thursday, December 2, and this is your time schedule. So to continue our lesson about length, we will be talking or learning about solving word problems this afternoon. Okay, so last time we have learned how to convert the units of length into from millimeters to centimeters, kilometers to meters, something like that. And this morning we are going to study or learn about how to solve word problems about or on health or length, involving length. Okay, so this is the last topic of this chapter. So, you know, in solving word problems class, you need to understand the problem. Okay, so for example here, the height of the school building is 10 meters tall. Okay, I cannot see. Right, this one. So look at here. First example here, the height of the building is 10 meters. The height of the flagpole on top of the building is 200 centimeters. Question, what is the total height in meters? So in solving this problem, you need to only, you need to analyze the situation and the problem, especially what is being asked here. So the question here, what is the total height in meters? In meters, okay? So you can see here the school building and the flagpole. You can see in the picture. What will you do here? Next, you need to analyze what operation that you are going to use. So in this problem, what do you think is the correct operation? Is it plus, minus, times, or divide? What do you think? Anybody? Before I show you here, do you have any idea? What do you think?
200 centimeters and 10 meters.
Yeah, tell me what operation? Plus, minus, times, or divide?
Pass.
Why? Why?
No. Time.
Times? Times?
Yeah.
Guide said times. What about others? What do you think? What is the correct operation here? So this is very important because if you use the wrong operation, then your answer, your solution also is wrong. So in this case, we can see here what is the total height. So this is plus. Okay, guys, this is plus. So you need to identify or separate the meters and centimeters. So this is the solution. Now, the height of the school building is how many meters? 10 meters. Centimeters? No, no centimeters. 0, 0. You can also write 0, 0 there in centimeters column. The height of the flagpole is 200 meters. If you convert 200 meters to meters, how many meters? Huh? How many meters? Okay, very good. Good. Fresh. Okay. So, 200 centimeters is equivalent to 2 meters. So, you can write here 2. Okay, you can erase now those who wrote on the screen. Okay, yeah, just follow. And then 0. No, no centimeters because we converted into meters. So this is plus. So you add because what is the total? And obviously, according to the based on the picture, you can see there, the answer is 12 meters. Because the question is, what is the total height in meters? So the total height is 12 meters. Okay, that's it. Easy as that. Very easy. So just add. Then if the question is asking in specific units, example here, meters, so you need to convert. You need to convert the centimeters to meters. All right. So another example here.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Do you have question? Someone is calling. Yes. Do you have question? What's that? No. Okay. Let's continue. Let's go to example number 2. Before we go to our book, let's try to solve the problems, the word problems found in your workbooks later. So example 2, look at here. Malisa bought 1 meter and 30 centimeters of pink cloth and 1 meter, see here, 1 meter and 30 centimeters, and also 1 meter and 80 centimeters of white cloth to sew her kimono. This one, kimono. Okay. Question, what is the total length of the cloth that she bought? What do you think? What operation? Plus, minus, times, divide. Huh?
Our 130 of the white cloth. Total
Plus
range
or minus?
of
Plus or minus?
pass,
Yes,
pass,
because the question
pass,
here,
pass.
what is the total length of the cloth she bought? You have to add all the measurement here. So let's go here, meters and centimeters. So first, Malisa bought 1 meter, the length of pink cloth, this one. Pink cloth is 1 meter. And how many centimeters? 30 centimeters. Next cloth is white. So the length of white cloth is, you can see here, 1 meter and 80 centimeters. Plus, okay. You can also add directly, and we can also do in another way. Okay, example here. 0, 3 plus 8, 11, carry 1. So 3. And also you can do like this. I will show you here. 1 plus 1, 2. and 30 centimeters plus 80 centimeters, 110 centimeters. Okay. I can wait. Do not write first. Only teacher will write. Okay. Sorry. What happened? Okay. All right. Okay. So you can also do like this. 30 plus 80, 110 centimeters. And then 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay. Then 110 centimeters. If you convert this into meters, so 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. Okay, 110 centimeters is 1 meter and 10 centimeters. So you can do like this also. 3 meters, the same result. 3 meters and 10 centimeters. Okay, it's also the same result. Yeah. So the answer now is the total length based on the question of the cloth that she bought is 3 meters and 10 centimeters. Okay. Mini, I just put here 110. We separate adding the centimeters. Okay. And then we converted the 110 to 110 centimeters to meter and centimeter. That's why we have here the result. Okay, understand, Mini? Mini is putting X here. It's wrong. If we do it this way, as what we did a while ago, it's also the same. Okay, if we add all of them. And we can also do like this in meters and centimeters. Okay, so it's okay also. 0, 11, carry 1, then 3. Yeah, the same result. The same result. Okay. So the total length of the cloth that she bought is 3 meters and 10 centimeters. Next, let's go to your book. But here, page 140. There are 4 word problems here. Let us try to solve this one. Okay, letter A. Mini, can you read the problem A, please?
Okay. The road is 250 meters away from Tom's house. His office is 100 meters further away from the road. What is the distance from Tom's house to his office?
Okay, very good. Thank you, Mini. So let's try to picture out Tom's house. Let's draw house of Tom here. I will draw here. Tom's house. Okay. Tom's house. And this is the road. The road. Road. Okay, this is a road, huh? Road. So from Tom's house to the road, how many meters? 250 meters away from the road. Okay. And then his office, let's say his office is here. Okay. Let's try to imagine. Okay. It's the road. His office is what? 100 meters from the road. But the question here, what is the distance from Tom's house? This is house. Okay, this is office. From Tom's house to his office. This one is the question.
It's
Okay.
350 meters.
This one is the question. Okay. From Tom's house to his office. So what operation? Plus, minus, times, divide. Hello? What do you think? Times, plus, minus, divide. It's a plus, right? Let's go here. Meters, centimeters. So first, the distance from Tom's house to road is 250 meters. No centimeters, so just put 0 there. And then distance from road to his office, just add 100 meters. So plus 0, 0. So distance from his house is 350 centimeters. Yeah, 350 centimeters. Okay. Let me erase this one. Yeah, that one. So you can see here, just add to get the distance from Tom's house to his office. So the distance is 350 meters. Okay. So you do like this. You can see the example also in your book. You can separate meters and centimeters. So distance from Tom's house to road is 250. Then road to his office is 100 centimeter. No, 100 meters. So add, we have here 350 meters from his house to his office. All right, that's it. Letter B. Let's go to letter B. You can take photo because I cannot wait you all because some students are very fast also in writing and some are slow. So we consume our time if I will wait you. So we will proceed to letter B. Just take photo or you can review this video later after we finish. Okay, let's go to letter B problem. Let's try to answer. Okay, look at here. Guide, can you read letter B problem? Guide, can you read letter B? Guide is reading.
Saku is 1,400 meters away from Anand's house and 987 meters away from Max's home, who lives closer to the school and by how much?
Okay, so you need to analyze. Thank you, guys. Thank you for reading it. So you need to analyze and understand the problem here. So I put already here the picture. This is, you can see below. This is Ananda's house, Ananda's home. And the distance away from the school is 1,400 meters. And this is Max home. And the distance from school is 987 meters. Question. Who lives closer to the school? Ananda or Max? What
Max.
operation? What operation you are going to use? And by how
Minus.
much? Very good. That's correct, guide. It's minus to get the difference. Okay, let's do it. Minus. So distance from Ananda's home to school is 1,400 meters. And then distance, 0, 0, there's no centimeters. School to Max home is 987 meters. Minus, that's the result, minus, so Max lives closer to the school by how much? 413. Okay, 413. 10 borrow becomes 9, becomes 3. Okay, so 10 minus 7, 3. 9 minus 8, 1. 13 minus 9, 4. So we have here 413 413 meters. And then Max lives closer to the school by 413 meters. Okay, like that. So you apply subtraction to get the difference, distance compared to Ananda's distance from school. All right. So are you following? Let's go to letter C. Let's go to letter C. Ready? Let's go to letter C. Okay. Fresh, can you read problem letter C?
Max bought 150 centimeters of cloth for his table and 11 meters of cloth for curtain. What was the total length of cloth he bought?
Okay. Thank you, Fresh. Now, what is the operation here? Is it plus, minus, times, divide in this problem? What do you think? Max bought 150 centimeters tablecloth and 11 meters cloth for curtains. What is the total? So this is plus, okay? This is plus. So let's go. Meters, centimeters. First, the length of cloth for the table is 1 meter and it's already 10 minutes left. 1 meter and 50 centimeters. The length of cloth for the curtains is 11 meters. So there's no centimeters. My plus. Okay, like that. So what is the total now? Total length is 12 meters and 50 centimeters. Okay, 12 meters and 50 centimeters. So go to the final answer. Write it in the complete sentence. Just go back to the question. What is the total? So the total length of cloth Max bought was 12 meters and 50 centimeters. Okay, so that's how we solve this problem. All right, let's.
Teacher,
Yes.
can you forward at number B?
Letter B.
Cap.
Letter B.
Yes, number B. I don't cap.
because
take a photo.
B is not a number. Okay, letter B. Okay, guys, no problem. No problem, guys. Okay, letter B. Okay, like that.
Okay.
This one.
Yes.
Yes. Anyway, okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anyway, you can watch this video again. Okay, you can review and study
Okay.
again.
Okay. Finish
How
now.
we solve it. Next, letter C.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome. Okay, no problem, guys.
May I have finished?
Okay, so letter C. This is how we solve this problem. So just follow there. So you need to understand and read carefully the problem. So what is the total? What was the total? This plus. So you add meters and centimeters. 150 centimeters. We separate here in meters and centimeters. So you got the answer of 12 meters and 50 centimeters. Okay, last letter D. Because our time is running 7 minutes more. Last problem, letter D. Let me read the problem. Just follow there with your eyes. Non rode his motorcycle for 1,400 meters. Okay. And his friend rode 2,000 meters. Question. What is the total distance? They rode all together. Another total distance. Plus. Okay, you need to add. Let's go. Step by step. Meters and centimeters. Okay, so Non rode his motorcycle for how many meters? Okay. 1,400 meters. And there's no centimeters here. Just put 0. Next, his friend rode 2,000 plus. Okay, like that. So total distance. Total distance is very easy. 3,400 meters or 3 kilometers and 400 meters. So go to the question, go back to the question, and then write your answer in the form of a sentence. The total distance they rode together 300 meters. Okay, so it would be also like this. If you convert this into kilometers, 3 kilometers, 3 km, and 400 meters. Yeah, like that. 3 kilometers and 400 meters. It's the same. The same. Okay. Finish. So, do you have any questions? There are only 4 problems, word problems in your book. Do you have clarifications? Questions? No questions? Okay. If no question, it means you understand the lesson here. So again, in solving word problems class about length, you just need to read carefully, sentence by sentence, and analyze the problem. Then go to the question, what is being asked here, and then show your solution. Okay, so if it is in addition, you have to add, with subtraction, with minus, with multiplication, with times, and divide. Something like that. Because if you don't understand the problem, you don't know what to do, and you don't know what operation that you're going to use. So that's why you need to understand and analyze the problem. So in this case, it's addition. Okay, 3 minutes more. Do you have questions? Next time, I will just give you a unit test and review next time before the midterm exam. But we will proceed to the next chapter, the last chapter covered for midterm exam. Okay, so this is the end of this chapter about length. And if there's no question, that's all for this afternoon class. You can review this again, this video, and you can read your books and study. All right, just finish your workbook there. Thank you, and
Bye
that's all
bye.
for this
See you
afternoon.
soon.
Bye. See you next time. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.